Hello students, this is Swati Deshpande teacher. Today we will be doing problem set number 2 of the chapter Angles of Standard 6 of Maharashtra State Board. Okay? जो महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड का 6 स्टैंडर्ड का बुक है उसमें का सेकेंड चैप्टर एंगल्स, उसका प्रॉब्लम सेट नंबर 2. ओके, एंगल्स के बारे में सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मेरे एंगल वाले वीडियो में है. I have given the link in the description box. Don't forget to check it, because if you know them, all the different types of angles अगर पता है, if you know them well, you will be able to solve this. Okay, so I suggest you see that video first and then go ahead with the problem set. Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. They have given certain measures of angle and types of angle. Match the following. Match the columns. Right? So 180 degree means straight angle. 240 डिग्री 180 के ऊपर 360 के नीचे कौन सा भी नंबर है तो दैट इज रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. 360 डिग्री इज कंप्लीट एंगल. And this name ही काफी है. Zero angle. Very easy. I have explained to you everything in my angle वाला video. Please see that. Okay. Write the type of each angle. 75 है. मतलब 0 के ऊपर है, 90 के नीचे है. So it is acute angle. Acute angle. ये ना नंबर से ही मालूम पड़ता है. 0 एंगल. 215 180 के ऊपर 360 से नीचे मतलब दिस इज रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. 360 एग्जैक्ट दैट इज कंप्लीट एंगल. 360 मतलब कंप्लीट एंगल. 180 is always a straight angle. 120 degree 90 के ऊपर 180 के नीचे, so it is obtuse angle. 148 again 180 के ऊपर लेकिन 90 के ऊपर 180 के नीचे, so it is again an example of obtuse angle. 90 degree is right angle always. Okay, so ये सब types of angle हो गए. अभी they have drawn certain angles and they are telling us to name them. ये जो angle है this is more than 1 but less than 90, so it is acute angle. Acute angle. ये एक sleeping line exactly एक standing line and it is indicated like this small square here, so it is right angle always. बाकी सब ऐसे कर्व में इंडिकेट करते हैं, ये ऐसा, सो इट इज ऑलवेज राइट एंगल. ये दिस पार्ट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट, अदरवाइज स्टूडेंट्स टेक इट एज ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. ये ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल नहीं है, ये पूरा ये एंगल है, ये एंगल नहीं है, ये एंगल नहीं है. इफ दिस वुड हैव बीन द एंगल ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल, ये पूरा है मतलब ये ऐसा पूरा घुमा के इधर आए, सो इट इज रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. This part is more important. Reflex angle. This is straight line, so it is straight angle. 180 degree. This is, there is a difference. ये भी एक के ऊपर ही है, इधर भी एक है. They have not written in the book, but it is there. इधर ही होगा, लेकिन एंगल के लिए दो रेज होना जरूरी है. सो इट इज दिस, एक के ऊपर एक, लेकिन कुछ मूवमेंट इंडिकेट नहीं किया है लाइक दिस. हियर दे हैव गिवन दिस एरो लाइक दिस. एरो इफ इट इज नॉट विजिबल आई विल ड्रॉ अगेन. सी ये था ऐसे और ये ऐसा होके इधर तक आ गया है, लेकिन इधर ऐसा इंडिकेट नहीं किया है. सो दिस इज जीरो एंगल, कुछ काम ही नहीं किया है, जीरो एंगल. दो रे एक के ऊपर एक है बस. ये छोटा जो ये दिखाया है वो पूरा ऐसा होके पूरा ऐसा घुमा के फिर आ गया है. सो इट इज अ कंप्लीट एंगल. स्टूडेंट्स गेट कंफ्यूज बिटवीन दिस टू. कंप्लीट एंगल. सो प्लीज बी केयरफुल. ओके. So this entire whatever we have done so far, it was absolutely based on the information of angles. So you all should know different types of angles. अभी हमें acute, right और obtuse angle actually draw करना है. So चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Students, now we are going to solve fourth question. First, I will introduce you to the geometrical instruments. The one which is on the screen right now is the ruler. You all know that, right? This is the protractor. With the help of which we draw or construct an angle. I will be showing it to you. Okay. Students, this is the compass with the help of which we will be bisecting the angles. Students, we have learned the meaning of an acute angle. An acute angle is an angle whose measure is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Now we are going to construct an angle of 50 degree. You draw a ray with the help of a ruler. I told you angle is a combination of two rays. So you draw first ray. Mark the arrow. Don't forget to mark the arrow. Now take the protractor. Place it in such a way that you can see the standing line, small line exactly in the middle. जो middle वाला वो सूर्य जैसा जो shape है उसमें एक छोटा standing line है. Place that properly in the beginning of the ray and then see the inside. There are numbers outside में भी है और inside में भी है. Inside वाला number देखो जो 50 लिखा है, 50 के आगे 130 लिखा है. सो दैट इज एक्चुअली 50 डिग्री. सो उधर एक डॉट निकालो. यू कैन सी हाउ आई एम डूइंग. देन विद द हेल्प ऑफ रूलर अगेन join the beginning of that earlier ray and that point and draw another ray. Mark the arrow. And how do we write the measure of an angle? Like this, 50 degree. So this is the angle of 50 degree. You can name the angle. You can give ABC as a name. Always angle name is written with the help of 3 alphabets, or at least we can call it as angle B. You can do that way also. 1 alphabet or 3 alphabets. Here we are using 3 alphabets. So how do we write major angle ABC? Major angle ABC is equal to 50 degree. That's all. Okay, this is an example of an acute angle. Now we will draw a right angle. Students, let's go ahead. Now we will draw a right angle. You all know by now right angle means an angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree. So again with the help of ruler we are going to draw one ray in the horizontal position. Approximately any measure you can take, around 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter will do. Don't forget to mark the ray, that is the arrow. Now with the help of protractor, by now you know how to keep the protractor, correct? वो जो बीच में स्टैंडिंग लाइन है उसका जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट वाला डॉट है वो बिल्कुल वो रे के पहले डॉट पे होना चाहिए. एंड नाउ वी आर ड्रॉइंग 90 डिग्री. सो 90 जिधर लिखा है उधर डॉट निकालो. इट विल बी एग्जैक्टली इन द स्टैंडिंग पोजिशन, that this ray will be exactly in the standing position. Now we will draw the ray by joining this dot and the beginning of the earlier ray and mark the arrow. And how do we write the measure of a right angle? Not with the curve, with the standing line and sleeping line, like this. Okay, you can name the angle ABC again or PQR if you want to. Now write the major angle PQR. The letter Q, which is in the middle, joining point of two rays, should be written in the middle. So you cannot write QPR or QRP. No, Q has to be in the middle. You can start from R, Q, P or PQR, but Q has to be in the middle while writing the measure. Okay, let's go ahead. Now let us draw an obtuse angle. Students, let's draw an obtuse angle. You all know by now obtuse angle means an angle whose measure is above or more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So let us draw an obtuse angle of 120 degree. With the help of ruler, draw a ray in the horizontal position. Don't forget to mark the arrow. With the help of protractor, students please be careful when you are matching that point. वो जो स्टैंडिंग लाइन वाला पॉइंट है वो स्टार्टिंग में होना चाहिए, बट एट द सेम टाइम द स्लीपिंग लाइन, first sleeping line on the protractor should be exactly on your ray. It should not be 1 degree here and there, otherwise your angle will go wrong. Please be careful students. Here again inside numbers you should take 120, then whatever is the point, वो 120 के ऊपर 60 है उसका हेल्प लेके point. Even though 60 is there, actually the measure is 120. You should see the inner numbers for measuring an angle. Okay, so ये point कर दिया. So now again take the ruler and join those two points, starting point of the पहला वाला ray and the dot which you have drawn with the help of ruler. हो गया काम. How do we write the measure? Yes, it is 120 degree. You can name the angles as LMN. How do we write major angle LMN is equal to 120, which is an obtuse angle. See students, you can do practice with various different measures at home so that use of protractor as well as ruler becomes even more easy for you. Okay students, with this we are through with practice set number 2. Next time हम लोग practice set number 3 ले लेंगे. Okay, so ये जो angle वाला chapter है, it is absolutely based on different types of angles. So I just suggest you see that video of angles. उसमें मैंने पूरा explain किया है different types of angles. Okay students, we will meet for practice set number 3 very soon. तब तक study well and most importantly, yes, you are right, enjoy studying. Bye.